with no idea how to create, how to make a video like the one on this site. These anim videos, you can't believe how simple it is to create. All you have to do is translate text into these videos, and you don't need to know how to draw. You can take a look. What does it look like when I create this video?
Once upon a time, in a small coastal town, there lived a young boy named Oliver. Oliver had always been fascinated by the vastness and mystery of the ocean. He would spend hours gazing at the waves crashing against the shore, wondering about the hidden treasures and magical creatures that lay beneath the surface.
We can learn about the market of cartoon. How about the demand? We can search this cartoon by keyword. You can see how many plays they have. 200,000 plus 800,000 plus views. These are not high streams. Like this is a short YouTube video. It has 124 million views. The number of vertical views of these cartoons, so popular. You can see this is from a year ago, and it has over 290 million views. So the type of anim cartoon is in great demand. And both men, women, and children are very fond of watching. Today I share with you. You just need to know how to type. You can create these anim videos. Say no more. Let's get started now. Hello, I'm Timmy. My channel focuses on sharing ideas about AI making money and the topic of making money online. If you're interested in these topics, so be sure to like and subscribe to my channel and you won't miss my latest share. We only need 4 steps. You can finish creating the video. We're in the toolbox. Find the robot that's an AI story. We click to open this website, and then we just need to enter the content of the story to write. What I typed was for him to write a short story. The story of a child's adventure in the ocean. Then we just need to enter such a request. Then the robot will soon help me write a whole story like that. And the content is also very rich. You can see this long story. It is also enough to generate a 3 to 5 minute video content. Then all we have to do is copy what's on it. You can copy sentence by sentence. After the first step, we come to step 2. You have to create a speech from that text. This is the text-to-speech website. When we click in, the first step is of course to create your own account. You can log in with your Google account, and then there's a voice on it that creates you. Click to create. There are 2 options. Let's go with the second one, which is more realistic. How about we pick this one and try it out? Let's take the content of this text, copy it all, and put it in. On this website, we can see these texts. This side is okay to choose the pronunciation of different people, and you can. What do you think about trying out their pronunciation? Then decide which one you choose.
No-nonsense investigator Tyler Elliott.
Extreme success, by definition, lies beyond the...
Dude, I remember, yeah, it's crazy when you look at a 10-year-old, it looks like...
If you look at it from an audience point of view, there are people who are very excited to be part.
Do you think their pronunciation is very real, and it's like a real person talking? How about I choose this one to try it out? Then confirm that you have selected this option. We have to put a check mark after this character. Put all the text in the character's speech, and then click OK. So he would use the character in every sentence. Take all this text and turn it all into speech. We can see an audio axis down there. You can see that all the audio has been generated, and then we just need 2. And then we see one on the top right. Export the audio. You can export it paragraph by paragraph, or you can export it all. I chose to export all. Audio all export. We come to step 3. Also take the text just now, all translated into these anim videos. We can find it in the AI toolbox. This is a site that can convert text to video. Let's start testing. He could have given it to us for free. When we hit create, we're going to get into this conversation with this robot that's generating the video. And then we can see that there are 6 servers. You can choose any server you want. I just need to take what I just said, copy the content of each paragraph, because the video he generated was only 4 seconds long. And when I go to create, his pronunciation of these sounds is relatively long. So you can create when you can create more videos. Now let's create it. Input / and then you can see that this is creating text to video. We select it and we just type in the text. Choose which style your style is. Then I chose the effect of 3D anim. To follow here, the selection is your video chain. How variable is it? The more the video changes, the longer it will take him to generate the video. So let's test that out. One takes medium time. That's 4 to 8 minutes. I can generate this video. Then your wait time is shorter. But you wanted this video to be more exciting, then you can choose the last one. It takes him a long time to generate, but the video that made it. The resulting video is a little better. Choose medium, then enter. So you type in here and then go in. You can see everyone else is generating these videos here. And if we find our own video, you can see an information box in the upper right corner. You can see there's a hint here. These videos that you just generated, you can see it all right here. So you can browse down these videos that I just created. Then the same way you can put all the text of these contents. All generate your video content. Maybe we have to wait about 4 minutes. He can finish your video. When your videos are all generated, and then there's a download button. Take all the videos, download it all, and then we come to the final step with a piece of software called CapCut. Put all the videos together, which is to take these videos that I just made. Put it all in and drag the audio in first. Let's just make these videos. Drag it onto the track one by one. Follow the order of the videos that we just made. Drag it all in. These videos are not long enough. We can repeatedly generate 2 more of these videos. Use the same text. He would create different videos. And then we're going to take that speech and turn it into text. We can see how to convert this speech into text. We need to confirm it and then we'll drag it. Adjust the text above. Then we can select different types of text for this presentation. We can take a look. We can also access an audio link. You can see there's an audio selection up there. So you can choose different styles. What kind of style do you like? After their favorite style, we can choose a style of our own. We can turn down the volume on this background music. What's his effect? Let's see how it works.
Named Oliver. Oliver had always been fascinated by the vastness and mystery of the ocean. He would spend hours gazing at the waves crashing against the shore, wondering about the hidden treasures and magical creatures that...
Then all you have to do is create your video. Upload to YouTube. You can go through YouTube. Turn your passive income. If today's topic, a little bit of help with your idea of making money on AI. I hope you get a free like for this video. If you have any questions or ideas, let me know in the comments section below. If I have the latest idea of AI making money, I will be the first time share with you. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time.